How to save reels in gallery using Telegram bot in just 1 second. So in order to demonstrate and save reels in gallery, let me open Instagram and select any reel that I want to save in my gallery. Once you open it, you just have to tap on the share button of this reel at the bottom and tap on download. As you can see that the reel has been downloaded, but in some cases the reel will be downloaded but there will not be any sound. So let me try for another reel as well. As you can see on this reel that this will be downloaded but it will not be downloaded with audio. So what we can do is simply copy the link of this reel and then you have to open Telegram. Open any chat that you want to share the link to. Then after that you have to make some changes on this link after you copied. Write DD before Instagram. So it will be www.ddinstagram.com. So share it to this user. You can choose any user where you want to share the link to. Then once this video gets downloaded, let's open first. And then you just have to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and from this drop down menu box, as you can see the option of save to gallery, just tap on it and the video has been successfully saved to gallery. Let's open our gallery. As you can see that the reel video has been successfully saved in our gallery along with the audio. So that is how we easily save reels in gallery using Telegram bot in just 1 second. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, subscribe it for more tutorial videos and updates.